Hi, my name is Michael of the Source Code Group, and today I'll be addressing some of the feedback that I got from the directory page redesign, and mainly specifically the drop-down menu that gets invoked when you click on the code drop-down menu. So the idea here is combining all the actions, clone, open with, which used to be in edit, all into one menu. And as you can see, this is a drop-down, and there's drop-downs within a drop-downs. And from an interaction standpoint, there could be issues with that, with targeting the correct drop-downs when the drop-down itself is open. So one of the suggestions from Andre was considering what this might look like if this interface here was actually in a drawer and not in a context menu. And at first I was a little bit skeptical because I'm like, a drawer is huge. So going from a drop down to a drawer could be crazy, but here goes. And here you can see that my initial thought it was going to be crazy, but as you can see that where the button was to click, I can click the command line quite easily, get down to the code, click on these things for the different actions. So it operates like a context menu, but you have a much larger space. And that could be really useful for other scenarios as well. So I think it might work. So if we go back to this page here and we look at like the X-ray view of everything, if the code button's there and the first menu item is the command line, in my opinion, it's probably faster than what it was before. And then you have your other options. The other benefit of having it in a drawer is you have much more space. Here is an H3, H4, H4, H4. These are standard labels, small size, but you can see that you could do more with the space, or you can decide to make it smaller. I think there's some things to work out here with the spacing here to make it work a little bit better, but I think we're onto something here. And if we let workspaces continue doing what was doing, there is enough space to list all the workspaces and it doesn't look too crowded. Some of the design considerations I'm looking at right now is here there's some spacing issue which kind of makes it hard to see for myself what's a group. Some ideas that I have explored so far is looking at whether we need lines to be in here to separate each of the sections, or would it work with just white space to space things out. But yeah, a few things to tweak there, but I think a drawer is actually a good suggestion here. Thank you.